Hello and welcome to Talk Time. It's very bold of me to be standing outside here in Delhi. Reason you all know is the pollution, and that is why I have my mask on. Well, to talk to my people of Delhi here, I will be pulling down my mask. And well, I really don't want to do this. And people standing here don't want to do it for themselves, for their kids, and even for their patients. I have residents of East of Kailash with me, and we are going to talk about today the pollution in Delhi. What is the government doing? And as residents and citizens of the city, what are we really expecting out of them? Rohan, I'll go across to you. You are an IT professional. You go to work every day. You cannot work from home. You know, it is everybody considers this is the solution. Just sit at home, sit in your air purifier, and do it. But that's not possible. Even when you're sitting at home, that is not the solution. You cannot possibly doing that. You know, we all are nowadays talking about air purifiers. How expensive are these air purifiers? Not everybody can afford them. It's not the easy way. Do you think the government is doing anything for it?
Yes, as you rightly said, it's not feasible. This solution is not feasible. This is just a workaround that we are doing. In IT also, that's what we do sometimes, okay? That's not proper solution. So government, as of now, in a simple answer is no, they're not doing everything to be done. Because we are seeing this for last 10 years or so, that it has increased many folds, okay? This time they even allowed a lot of, crackers to be burst. So that added the pollution this time. And we all know that the fires in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, MP, that is affecting. But it never used to affect earlier. What's changing now? Like we have seen that there's a belt in Haryana, that's a Sonipat, Panipat, that's an industrial belt. Okay, you leave about November, December, you go there in July, you will find smoke there. Okay, you'll find the smog there. Then what's the reason? Because they are not checking the illegal fires, because they are not checking the illegal industrial work happening. There are no norms being followed there. But uska hi asar hai, which is Delhi is getting highlighted, but the reality is it's everywhere around Delhi itself.
It is actually you're correct because in Uttarakhand there were fields being burnt in July itself. So the fire is existing everywhere. Yes, Delhi gets noticed more. It is the national capital, but we are all choking here. So you're a doctor. Please tell us how we all going to cope up with this. What are the remedies that people should do? What is we youngsters like us, older people, young kids? What are the basics that we should take care? Because unfortunately, we have to live with this pollution.
I think it's a very big problem. It's not a small problem, and it affects more to the kids, to the elderly, and to the ladies who are in a family way. Except prevention, there is no cure for it. One has to go into deep and make a long arrangement to solve this problem of pollution. Otherwise, one has to be very careful. They should not go open in the morning and late in the evenings. When there is a sun, they can go out. It will be still better. Try to wear mask as far as possible. Stay indoor during the extreme hours. And these water purifiers are very good, provided you restrict this into your own bedroom. If it is open with drying room and outside, then it is no use. Same, you will find same level at that place also. So we also, personally speaking, at night we close the door and then we use purifier whole night, and definitely we are better off in that way. Although surely these are expensive.
Absolutely, sir. Because as I mentioned earlier, also there is a solution with air purifiers. But are you going to stay shut inside your room all day long? I have Karan with me over here, who is a parent, and I really want to ask him this question: Kids, grab three, sit at home, online schooling. No matter what age you are, you have to sit at home and do online schooling. We restrict kids. We don't. We are standing in a park. There's not even a single child here, which is a very very unfortunate thing. So, as a parent, what do you feel about it?
It's a very sad situation that we have this air pollution problem in Delhi and obviously other parts. And as a parent, we are very concerned because our child is in growing age and they have to go for hybrid mode of schooling, which we had never thought. And I don't know if I have to send my child to some other different school outside Delhi if this problem persists. And then we have to have air purifiers in the school, in the classrooms. So this year, this session, the parents had funded a full project for air purifiers in Sardar Patel Vidyalaya School.
Don't you consider that these kind of considerations should be taken by the government, even for private schools? I'm not government schools, whatever they take, because it is not our as citizens we are paying taxes. Isn't it a government's thing to be taken care of?
Yeah, government should take it seriously. Government should put it in government schools, in MCD schools, in all the schools. They are taking so like good amount of fees. So why not to put air purifiers in all the classes for all the students? And obviously, everyone knows that you cannot study online.
Yes.
One has to go and sit physically in the classroom and study.
You cannot take away the natural livelihood of everybody, like we all discussed earlier. Also, the construction stops, everything stops. It does have a multiple effect. As citizens of the city of Delhi, what are the three expectations, if I could say, you could specify when it comes to pollution from your government?
The government should have a good strict enforcement. And people are also talking about that the vehicle movement should stop, or odd and even should come in. But let's see. The government is not enforcing anything right now.
Sir, do you consider कि enforcement अभी उस level की नहीं है जिस level की होनी चाहिए? जैसे करण ने mention करा, that enforcement there needs to be far more stricter rules. I think in Delhi we all consider that there should be far more stricter rules when it comes to everything. When it comes to pollution, there should be far more stricter rules.
If there are strict rules, it will affect the economy of the city also. The poor people will suffer more than the rich people. They will lose their livelihood. Construction work will come to stand still. Off and on, if you make alternate vehicles, those who are not plying, their livelihood will go. It's not that simple.
It's not the solutions are never a straight line.
No, it's not a straight line.
But there needs to be a solution over here, Rohan. Don't you consider? Because there obviously nothing is a straight line, and people in power would always consider there will be, we will as citizens give them multiple options and consider. But what are the alternate options? Because as citizens, we also want to just breathe fresh air.
Correct. We talked about rules, right? Stricter rules. We do have rules. Okay, the thing is, they are not followed. He talked about enforcement. आज से 20 साल पहले 20 years ago we never used to wear seat belts, if you remember.
Yes.
Then started a rule, if you are found without wearing seat belt, you will be challaned, you will be fined. That's it. Simple. Start doing the challans, start doing the fines. Why don't they happen? Because जिनको चालान करना है, the bribe is being taken from them only. So that should not happen. If you start doing challans, start doing these things, you see the difference. Now what do? When we sit in the car, nobody has to ask us, we just put on our seat belts. So
Basically, something which Karan pointed out and all of us agree with, enforcement is essential, and it just has to happen with a bit more of, with a stricter implication of it. If you put a price to anything, it always pinches the person. What sir also mentioned over here, yes, taking away livelihood of poor people, if we stop construction or we do odd even, also has an impact. So, well, the government out here has a lot to do when it talks about pollution. We just hope that the next Diwali, we all are able to breathe, and post that able to breathe fresh air.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.